Smart Money Nation, what's going on? I'm back at you with another video. Today we're going to talk about another personal credit option to have on your personal credit line. All right. Before we get started, as always, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button. Join the Smart Money Nation as we progress our personal credit, business credit, our side hustle, side income, and also dabble into trading forex, crypto, and stocks. And I give you a little game about every one of those things. Drop videos 3 times a day on one of those topics every day, so you don't want to miss out. If you are subscribed, please hit the notification bell so you are notified anytime I do drop a video or I do go live. Let's get started. Today we're gonna talk about Grain. Okay, Grain is very similar to, which one did I talk about the last time? Tomo. Tomo Credit is what I gave you guys the last time. This one is very similar to Tomo Credit. They are a newer fintech type of company that offers you a line of credit. And it's sort of like a revolving line of credit. The amount that they do give you is also based on how much you have in your personal bank account that you do connect with Grain. So when you sign up for Grain, you download the app and you sign up, you will have to connect your bank account within the application process. And what they'll do is they'll have access to your financial records on your bank account and also your transaction histories, your deposit history, everything. So based on that, the algorithm will kind of decide how much initial line of credit they will give you. I know personally for me, they gave me $1,000, and I think that's the highest they give initially. According to them, that amount can go up throughout time, right? So you can get an increase on your line of credit. But I think $1,000 line of credit is pretty great if you are beginning to build your credit, right? So this is for somebody that's early on in their process of building their credit. I think that's a really good amount. There is no minimum credit score, so which is good. It does not do a hard inquiry on your credit, which is another good thing, right? So they do like a soft inquiry on your credit report. They do report to Equifax and Experian. So any on-time payments you have, the actual credit line will be reported there. We can go over some of the perks of having Grain. It took me a while for me to get it because there was a waiting list at that time. So I would highly suggest go ahead and download this now. You can find it in the app stores. How it works: just sync your current debit card and use Grain as you would a credit card. Grain analyzes your cash flow, instantly pre-approves you for your line of credit. So as I said, it's gonna look through your bank account and decide how much they're gonna pre-approve you for. So download the app, connect your primary checking account, connect the checking account that you have the most money in. All right, the most transactions and money in, connect that. Use your debit card. So you'll just use your debit card like normal. It is a credit card alternative and also helps you build credit. Essentially, that's what you're pretty much getting from Grain. So let's go to the FAQs real quick. What do I need to get started? You just need a phone and the ability to download the app from the App Store. Yeah, it definitely is nationwide by this point. I got on this pretty early. How long is the application process? It's pretty quick. There is no cost to join. I guess the APR is 17.99%. 5% minimum payment due, or $5, whichever is less. So this is $1,000, like I said. So anyway, kind of running out of time here, but this is another great line of credit to add to your personal credit profile. So hop on to your app store and download Grain off the app store and put in your application today. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with somebody that you value, and if you're not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. I will see you in another video.